single day. I'm gonna make.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video, and this is what I got from WILKO's, Boots, Poundstretcher and Card Factory. So the first thing is this. This is the Glade Spray in Spiced Apple and Cinnamon. So I got this for my boyfriend Cameron, mainly because he said I couldn't light the candle which I got, which is in this brand and scent, unless I was at his. So got him this to hopefully let me burn it at my house. Not this, but the candle. This was 69p from Poundstretcher. Also from Poundstretcher I got a 2-litre bottle of Apple Tango, because I fancied a fizzy drink, and forget the 2-litre bottle, a pound from Poundstretcher. It will last me quite a while, and yeah, so I got this as well. Also from Poundstretcher I got my mum a pack of the orange choc nibbles, just because these are her favourite ones, so she will definitely like these. A pound from Poundstretcher. Also from Poundstretcher I got a couple packs of the Always sanitary pads. One because I ran out, and two because a small child that I will not name played with them, and yeah, you know, kids like to mess with everything that they can get a hold of. So yeah, those are 90p each from Poundstretcher, those I've spoken about. Also from Poundstretcher I got the banana shampoo and conditioner set by Expel Hair Care. Don't know why, I just thought it would be really funny and really interesting to use these, and I've already used them and they're okay, I guess. I mean, for 95p each they're great. So yeah, there's those, also from Poundstretcher. From Boots I got the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity Face Wash, because Sophie Louise mentions this in pretty much every other video that she uploads, and yeah, this is really interesting. Originally it's £8, but I think they're doing a pre-Christmas sale, as that is what I got told. It's £5.33, so if you use this on a daily, definitely stock up on this because I like it. Future video idea on that, I've already filmed it. Again from Boots I stocked up on the Clean and Clear Exfoliating Daily Wash. Everyone in this house uses it, so I stocked up at £2.33 each from Boots. Again, food, I also got the 18-pack of fun size Milkaways, £1.49 from Poundstretcher. Yeah, put those down there. Also from Poundstretcher I thought to treat my mum to this. This is the Dairy Milk Marvellous Creations Jelly Popping Candy one. Obviously she shared it with me and my brother, which we've all eaten. What's next? It's all over the place, I don't know. Again, some more of those nibbles things, but these ones are mine, which I've started to eat, but yeah, they do look like that. And that in the middle. But yeah, these are just the original chocolate versions. Milk chocolate caramel just with icing sugar. No, they're not. Minus the coated with real milk chocolate. Okay, that's what these are. Those are £1 from Poundland. No, Poundstretcher. And the final two things, I did also get two things, but they're for a future video haul. From Card Factory I got my boyfriend Cameron an anniversary card, because it's coming up very soon. 99p from Card Factory. Good quality for a good price. I'm not advertising for them, but now final thing is a photo album, which I can hopefully fill with lots of memories of me and Cameron. So one day, if we do have kids, we can show them this what Mum and Dad was up to when they were children. Not children, young adults. Well, we're adults now because we're not a teen, but you know, something I can show Morning Cameron's kids when we're a lot older. And that's it for today's haul. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, comment something down below, whatever you like, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.